Are you looking for the top 5 best pickleball paddles for beginners in 2024? Everyone thinks the best-selling pickleball paddle is automatically the best one for beginners, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you're just starting out and need control, comfort, and value, not just flashy marketing. Product number 1, M10 Fiberglass Paddle Set. Let's kick things off with the M10 Fiberglass Paddle Set, a solid entry-level option that's USAPA approved and comes in at just $34.29. What caught my eye was the complete package: 2 paddles, 4 balls, grip tape, and a carry bag. If you want a no-fuss starter kit that's tournament legal right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fiberglass surface paired with a propylene honeycomb core gives a great balance of power and control, exactly what beginners need to learn proper form without sacrificing performance. The paddle weighs between 7.78 and 7.8 ounces, which is in the sweet spot for medium weight, light enough to swing comfortably but heavy enough to generate natural power. Plus, the 4.57-inch grip is perforated and cushioned, so your hand won't slip even when you start sweating. Over 5,000 people bought this in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs line up with what new players actually need. Now, some people might complain that the lack of reviews makes it feel risky. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end pro paddle. It's a reliable, affordable set designed for casual and club play. The materials are proven, and the USAPA approval means it meets safety and performance standards. You're not getting premium craftsmanship, but you are getting real value. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into pickleball and want a full set without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you already have balls or a bag and only need a single paddle. For under $35, it's hard to beat for the complete beginner. Product number 2, Jonkaye Blitz 4-pack set. Now, if M10's set felt a bit basic, the Jonkaye Blitz 4-pack takes it up a notch with more paddles, better noise control, and extra accessories, all for $59.90. This one stood out because it includes 4 paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, lead tape, overgrips, and a bag. If you want a family-friendly setup that lets everyone play together right away, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each paddle weighs a consistent 8 ounces and features a large sweet spot thanks to the wide body design, perfect for beginners who are still working on consistency. The fiberglass face and PP honeycomb core reduce vibration and noise, which is huge if you're playing in a community court or backyard where noise complaints could be an issue. The 4.25-inch grip is stitched and perforated, offering solid comfort, and the included overgrips let you customize the feel over time. With 3,000 plus sold last month, it's clear people appreciate the completeness of this kit. Now, some buyers might find the price a bit steep compared to cheaper wood sets. Here's the thing though, you're paying for USAPA approved quality, quieter play, and extras like lead tape to adjust weight. This isn't just a paddle, it's a full experience package. This is perfect for you if you're buying for a group, family, or couple who wants to play regularly. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only. Product number 3, V-Foxed Carbon Fiber Paddle Set. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners who want lightweight control. The V-Foxed Carbon Fiber Paddle Set at just $32.99. What grabbed me was the carbon fiber surface, which is lighter and more responsive than fiberglass, and the fact it's USAPA approved despite the low price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At an average of 7.8 ounces, this paddle is ultra lightweight, reducing arm fatigue during long sessions, something beginners often overlook. The carbon fiber face gives excellent touch for dinks and soft shots, while the 14mm PP honeycomb core adds stability and control. The 4 1/8-inch grip is sweat absorbent and hand-stitched, so it won't slip mid-game. It also comes with 4 balls and a carry bag, making it a great standalone kit. Over 2,000 sold in the past month shows it's gaining traction. Now, some users might worry about durability with carbon fiber at this price. Here's the thing though, VFox uses a composite layering technique that holds up well for casual and training use. It's not built for pro-level abuse, but for learning and recreational play, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, responsive paddle that helps improve touch and control. Skip this one if you prefer heavier paddles for power hitting.
Product number 4, Dulce Dom Wood Paddle Set. Now, if you're looking for something with a classic feel and solid construction, the Dulce Dom Wood Paddle Set at $39.99 brings a different vibe. Made from 9-ply hard basswood, these paddles have a traditional weight and balance that many clubs still use to introduce new players. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 10.58 ounces, these are heavier than the others, which means more power on impact. Great if you're playing against stronger opponents or want to develop faster swings. The grip is soft, ventilated, and shock absorbing, reducing strain during long matches. It includes 4 paddles, 2 indoor and outdoor balls, and a spacious sling bag. With 2,000 plus sold, it's a popular choice for families and schools. Now, some players might find the weight tiring over time, especially if you have shoulder issues. Here's the thing though, the weight builds strength and teaches proper form. Just know it's not ideal for fast, repetitive volleys. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, no-nonsense paddle with a classic feel. Skip this one if you need something light.
Product number 5, Aopal Wood Paddle Set. Finally, the Aopal Wood Paddle Set at just $25.99 might be the best budget pick of the bunch. It includes 4 9-ply wood paddles, 4 balls, cooling towels, and a carry bag. Everything you need to start playing immediately. Here's why it matters for you specifically. The 9-ply construction is stronger than cheaper 7-ply options, meaning these won't warp or crack easily. At a medium weight, they offer a good balance of power and control, and the wide body design gives beginners more room for error on shots. The 4 1/4 inch grip is soft, sweat-wicking, and ergonomic, so your hand stays comfortable even after hours of play. The included cooling towels are a nice touch for hot days. With 2,000 plus sold, it's a favorite for casual players and gift givers. Now, some might worry that wood paddles lack the pop of composite ones. Here's the thing though, for beginners, that's actually a benefit. It forces you to focus on technique, not just power, which builds better long-term skills. This is perfect for you if you want the most affordable complete set with real durability.
So which one should you pick? If you want the cheapest full set, go with Aopal. Need lightweight control? VFox is your best bet. Want a family-ready package? Jonk Eye delivers. Prefer classic feel? Dulce Dom or MTEN are solid. Every beginner is different, but one of these 5 will definitely match your game.